Looking for a powerful, precise and easy to use welding tool for your jewellery work? The Lampert PUK 6 is a state-of-the-art pulse arc welder designed for jewellers who demand accuracy without compromising delicate details. In this video, we're answering your most frequently asked questions about how the PUK 6 can transform your jewellery making process. What makes the PUK 6 different from traditional soldering? Unlike flame-based soldering, which can overheat or damage fine details, the PUK 6 uses micro-welding technology that delivers heat exactly where it's needed. Protecting gemstones and intricate designs, it's faster, cleaner and requires no solder, giving you stronger, more precise joins with less effort. What types of metals can the PUK 6 weld? The PUK 6 is incredibly versatile. It can weld gold, silver, platinum, palladium, stainless steel, titanium and even nickel or tin alloys, making it ideal for both modern and vintage jewellery. Is the PUK 6 suitable for beginners? The PUK 6 is designed with intuitive presets based on real workshop experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or brand new to welding, you'll find it easy to set up and start producing clean and consistent results. How does the welding process actually work? The PUK 6 is a TIG welder that uses a tungsten electrode to generate a short, high-energy arc. When your jewellery touches the tip, a pulse of energy fuses the metal. Argon gas shields the area from oxidization, ensuring a strong, clean weld every time. Does the PUK 6 generate excessive heat? One of the PUK's greatest strengths is its minimal heat impact. It targets only the specific weld spot, so you can safely work near gemstones and fragile features without the risk of damage or distortion. What are the key features? From an ultra-clear display with 70% higher resolution to faster weld cycles, the PUK 6 combines power with precision, and it's energy efficient too. How does the microscope enhance the welding? The SM6 microscope delivers crystal clear magnification with a wide 20mm view. You'll also get an LSD eye protection system, ergonomic handrest, and powerful LED lighting with adjustable brightness. Everything you need to stay comfortable and safe. What is the Lampert PUK not suitable for? The PUK 6 is built for fine jewellery, not industrial scale welding or thick metal fabrication. Does the PUK 6 come with a warranty? Your PUK 6 comes with a 3-year warranty, although the handpiece isn't covered. Can I see a demonstration before purchasing? You can book a live or virtual demonstration to see the PUK 6 in action before you buy. Just visit Cooksongold.com or call our team. If you're serious about quality jewellery repair and creation, the Lampert PUK 6 is a game-changing tool. With precision, speed and user-friendly features, it's built to take your work to the next level.